I'm Dad, the CEO.
I'm Binh, the CTO.
I'm 𝐻𝐿, the COO. Let's start by watching our video.
It's about optimizing your system.
We've been triggered on how to leverage technology to scale climate-positive innovations by targeting energy-efficient buildings. In Ho Chi Minh City, the hospitality sector alone accounts for 82% higher energy consumption than other commercial buildings, which releases 3 million tons of CO2 per year. Electricity accounts for over 50%, and this has been a problem because during daytime, TOU tariffs can be 3 times higher. So there are two pain points for our partners. The first one is how to optimize utility costs and then how to reduce CO2 emission as a way to combat climate change. We align with Vietnam Net Zero and National Energy Strategy by our curious question: how might we save significant energy costs in Vietnam hotels when TOU tariffs are 3 times lower during nighttime? This is our solution: load shifting strategy, where we shift electricity used for HVAC from daytime to nighttime through our technology, ICE thermal energy storage. And now, when we roll through how it works.
Our solution leverages the transition of ice in freezing and melting cycles to store energy in insulated tanks during off-peak and use it for cooling during peak hours. Since there is an electricity cost gap between two periods, this is where our solution shines. Plus, with IoT integrations, we can measure key metrics to further monitor the tank's performance. For installations, first, we assemble and check the quality test. Second, we install the product tailored to the location base. And finally, we monitor and maintain after installation. We have also built a small prototype to show the cooling system inside the tanks. We first gather relevant materials, assemble the prototype, and then test with water to show pressure changes inside the coil, showing through water changes inside the water's density. Now with real components and refrigerants, this model could provide more powerful cooling to freeze ice, further proving the solutions. Moving on is our detailed cost based on components gathered from various Chinese suppliers. So from this table, we estimate the total cost of making one I-test tanks is $1,200.
Our solution seamlessly align with the UN SDG target 11.6 and 13.3 on climate resilient infrastructure and climate adaptive innovations. For our market, we mainly target mid-scale hotels in Ho Chi Minh City for their ease of adoption. So we've been talking to our potential customers, and the concern has been on the high investment and as well as what are the competitive advantages compared to other solutions. And now, Ms. 𝐻𝐿 will introduce our business offers.
To solve our customers' first concerns about the high initial investments when buying one tank all at once, TROVIA offers a B2B leasing model, which means that hotels only need to pay a monthly fee to rent our tank. TROVIA offers 3 different leasing packages in terms of different price range and benefits on maintenance service and IoT tracking metrics. Since one tank can actually save up to $400 per month on the electricity bill of a hotel, our customers can actually have an ROI of up to 40%. Now, what exactly makes TROVIA solutions different from many other alternatives already out there, for example, solar panels? First, our solution is very high performance. It can be independent from the weather, it can still work in rainy seasons, and saving up to 40% of the overall electricity cost of a hotel. Second, our tank can be seamlessly integrated into the HVAC systems of the hotels. Next is our financial planning with a leasing model. TROVIA is expected to break even by year 5. Details of our calculations and key assumptions can be found in the appendix. And here is our 5-year go-to-market plan, focusing mainly on mid-scale hotel of 3-star to 4 stars in Ho Chi Minh City. With our innovative solution, TROVIA will deliver positive impacts across 3 dimensions, including economic, environmental, and social. We can help each hotel to reduce 66 tons of CO2 emissions every year, saving up to 30% of their electricity costs. Besides, we can also create many more local jobs and increase the public awareness about energy saving.
So as the building owner, what exactly does the solution help you?
By using our solution, ICE thermal energy storage, you can save your electricity bill and save the environment at the same time.
We are TROVIA.